Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we have a truly amazing product that every pet owner needs in their home. The best Gonzo Natural Magic Pet Hair Remover. Whether you're struggling with pet hair on your furniture, clothing, bedding, or even your car, this incredible product has got you covered. The Gonzo Natural Magic Pet Hair Remover comes in a convenient 2-pack, providing you with 2 powerful, reusable sponges. It's designed to lift and remove pet hair from virtually any surface, from your couch to your carpet, and even your car's interior. What sets this product apart is its simplicity and effectiveness. Forget about dealing with sticky lint rollers or vacuuming endlessly, this little sponge works magic. Just swipe it across the surface, and watch as it effortlessly lifts and traps pet hair, dust, and even dirt. The best part? There's no need for water or chemicals. The Gonzo Pet Hair Remover uses all natural materials to do its job, leaving your home clean without leaving any residue behind. It's completely safe to use, even on delicate fabrics and surfaces, such as leather, wood, and metal. Plus, it's environmentally friendly, being reusable and reducing waste from single-use alternatives like lint rollers. When it comes to versatility, this pet hair remover really shines. Not only does it work great on pet hair, but it also tackles dust and pollen, making it an essential tool for allergy sufferers. Whether you're cleaning your furniture, removing pet hair from your clothing before heading out, or even tidying up your car interior, the Gonzo Natural Magic Pet Hair Remover gets the job done in no time. If you're tired of wasting time on ineffective solutions, this product will be your new best friend. It's quick, easy, and reusable, no batteries or refills needed. Simply pick up the pet hair, toss it away, and the sponge is ready to go for your next cleaning session. Gonzo Natural Magic's Pet Hair Remover is a game-changer for anyone dealing with pet hair. It's not just a cleaning tool, it's a must-have for your home. Thanks for watching this review here on Product Critique. Be sure to like and subscribe for more insightful product reviews. We'll see you next time with another amazing product.